keep uploading your picture. Like I've seen many people, they are posting 10 or 20 status regularly. Don't they have any work remain for them counting the number of likes and the comments they are uploading the status? People, they do not appreciate them. And you know what? Social media that does not appreciate your life. When you post your happy moment, people, they do not want to see you happy. They feel jealous. They feel jealous. This happens. Social media is the biggest platform where you can just promote your thoughts. You never got this opportunity in history. But today you have this opportunity, but use it wisely, intelligently. Don't post anything nonsense where people are posting them. Only status, they are giving their opinion about, like I have just seen so many people, they are posting jokes only. So like their personality becomes like a joker. Yes, speak.
Yeah. Sir, I have so many demands of social media. Which one was a huge amount of hit content was uploaded on social media, which was affected our present present day life students, and also doing the student doing nothing. Student doing student doing not your studies but doing like that content by uploading same type of video, like abusing video and yeah, what did I say? Then what? Roasting, yeah, roasting, and people roasting each other and abusing each other. So I think that the government banned this type of thing. So if it is right, if it is banned or not.
But it also provides knowledgeable videos.
He also provides knowledgeable video.
These are social media.
Social media. You know, like when you talk about the knowledgeable content which is available on the social media, people are rarely interested to watch them.
Yes.
People, Gary Manati, when he uploads a video, within an hour he just gets 7 lakh views, 8 lakh views. Right? People, they want to watch a content where the maximum number of views are there. See, we love to see the content which has the criticism. If anybody who comes and appreciates others, you feel bored. If somebody comes and start fighting and just posting and just giving their opinion about others, which are bad opinion, we love to see the fight. Why Bigg Boss is a hitter show in India?
Yeah.
Why Bigg Boss has the largest TRP? Because we want people to insult each other. This is just we call it spicy entertainment. That is what we like. Gary Manati also does the same. Our life is completely depending upon that. When somebody who is criticizing others, we love to have interest. We just stop and pause ourselves for a moment and we just look at the road, what is happening there. If two persons are fighting with each other, we like to see it. When we do have any work, like we are not worried about it. See, social media that consumes a lot of the time, and especially the mobile phone has made social media as highly accessible for you. Social media was also available when you go back 15 years. When I was in my college, so there was Orkut, right? There was Orkut, Gmail, Gtalk. These were the format of the social media available at that time. There was no Facebook, as I can assume that. I did not know about it. It was there. So people, they had limited conversation. But since the mobile phone introduced the feature of operating internet, which is everything is there in your mobile phone. So when you're studying, you have mobile phone in your hand. See, as she said about the online education. Online education is good, and it is the revolution in the education after the COVID-19 last year.
Yes.
But you see, when we study through our mobile phone, we need to have a great control over our instinct. When you are reading any content which is educational, suddenly the notification comes. When you want to search anything in the mobile phone, right, it just hardly requires you 30 seconds and 40 seconds. When you got the notification, you went inside any social media account and you start scrolling that, you end up noticing so many things, and you just think and go back what you were doing. You were reading any content, and after 15 minutes you feel that my 15 minutes are stolen from me. So social media addiction, which is extremely dangerous and harmful, and this addiction we actually don't know like how does it happen, because it is very attractive. Displays are mobile phone quality. See, mobile phones are the mobile phones when you are making and disconnecting the call, sending the message. See, everything has become very easy, accessible for you. On one click, everything is available. Social media, like application which are in front of us, and we just have to tap once, and we can just reach through the social media. And since the 4G, 5G also, right?
Yes.
So people feel very entertaining, looking something their educational content which is rarely appreciated, but entertainment content. What do you expect from the youngsters if Gary Minati is their role model? Gary Minati abuses everyone.
Yes, sir.
So you will also learn. Gone are the days when Vivekanand, APJ Abdul Kalam used to be the role model of youngsters. But now if youth, mostly 8 to 16, see, when you are 20, 25, you just become little sensible. What is good and what is bad. Gary Minati is roasting or abusing anybody. See, it is his personal matter. People they want to watch. He has a certain amount of audience. He is entertaining them. That's all. When you want to follow him or you don't want to follow him, if you're just taking as an entertainment, it's fine. It's okay, right? He is abusing. You are feeling connected because you are also doing the same in your life. You are abusing your friend. You are roasting your friend. This is what that makes you cool. If Gary Minati does the same, you are easily connected with him. But eventually, you just think about a person he is doing on the display, right? He has placed a camera and he is making a video, right? He is doing it for entertainment. He doesn't have the intention to hurt anybody, right? Personally, he may not be knowing who he is roasting. Personally, he doesn't know them. But he roasts just because of people, they give maximum number of views to him and he earns money. YouTube versus TikTok, that reaches up to 70 or 75 million. This video was taken down by YouTube because it was going to make a history, and it was roasting video, abusing and insulting. Therefore, YouTube took down the video. So this happens. People, they are appreciating the abuses today. That's a reality. That's a reality. See, you need to decide at one step whom you are going to follow and whom you are going to avoid in your life. Youngsters today, especially the children, they are 14, 15, they are very much fascinated by the content which is posted by Gary Minati on YouTube. They are very much fascinated. As I said earlier, Vivekanand, Gautam Buddha and APJ Abdul Kalam used to be a role model. So you expected something different from your life. What do you expect when Honey Singh, right, and this Gary Minati, they become a role model of you? What are you learning? You are learning to insult people, you are learning to insult girls, right? Gary Minati is abusing the girls. So what you are learning? You are also doing the same thing. If you like Gary Minati, you would probably like to do the same. Gary Minati is giving the advertisement or endorsing the earphones maybe, right? So you go and order that. So they are making money out of every activity of them. What are you interested in? Like, you need to figure it out what you want from the social media. Use it intelligently. You should not make a blind worship to anyone. You should not be a blind follower. If any of the social media account you are associated and feeling connected with, you just check out the personality of a person, whether he words it or he doesn't word it. See, how much time you are giving Salman Khan to thinking about? How much time? Zero. You are not thinking about in your 24 hours, you are not giving your 2 minutes thinking about Salman Khan, although he is a superstar. So you are giving your lot of the time, focus, attention, thinking about them. What can you expect from the guys and especially youngsters? Girls are also watching the content. Girls, roasters are also from there.
Yeah.
So Gary Minati is roasting On the other side, the girls are also coming and roasting them. It is just a way to entertain people. Kapil Sharma is also doing the same thing. Kapil Sharma does the same thing. He just comes and starts insulting the people. Like he just cracks the jokes on their height, complexion, their shape, their size. He just cracks the joke. So if you are the follower of Kapil Sharma, you will be learning the same thing. Right? You will be applying the same concepts and kind of humor. It is what we call the cheapest humor. If I can remember, when I was a child, I used to watch Charlie Chaplin shows. Mr. Bean is the latest example, you can see it. He doesn't speak a single word, no insult, right? But outstanding comedy. Comedy sometimes doesn't require a word. Charlie Chaplin, he just made everybody danced upon his comedy. Everybody was impressed. Impressive personality. Did not speak a single word. So, entertainment is very cheap these days, and we need to figure it out. We need to draw a line. What is the entertainment for us? Abusing anybody and insulting, criticizing anybody isn't entertainment. You should think about it. What kind of entertainment, what level of entertainment you want for you. If somebody is abusing anybody and you are feeling entertained, you should also be ready to be abused by others. Others will also enjoy your insult. Yes, speak. This side also.
So many people are suicide, murder, and blackmailing for social communities. So I would solve this for blackmailing for social communities.
Blackmailing social communities. Cybercrime is also a problem these days. Social media is mostly distorting your information. Like before some time when I can remember, there was some pictures for a student from the account of girls and making a fake IDs, and some of the pictures of the girls were edited and posted on the vulgar sites. This also happens. So it is very important just to protect your account. So you should not just post a lot of content, lot of personal content on the social media. Your information can be distorted. It is a very good platform for entertainment. But entertainment is not everything in our life. Yes. Education doesn't have the entertainment. If anybody says I enjoy my study, exceptions are always there, but most of the people they do not like their study. When you succeed in your life, you have to do some of the boring tasks. Study is a boring task. As a student, if you want to become an IPS officer, IAS officer, or you just want to do something by educating yourself a lot. So you have to study, that's all. If you want to become a singer, your education is not good, fine. Communication is skill, personality development is something. You can do it for you. Otherwise, like when you want to become something after educating yourself, getting the degree from the college, if you want to do the job in multinational corporation, you need to develop yourself academically and personally, both. So what are you wasting your time in? The study is very boring task. Social media is very interesting. So like many of the youngsters today, especially the school going students, they have fascination. After operating social media for 5 hours, they set to study, which is not possible. They cannot give their 100% focus. You know what? When you study, there should not be any amount of the dopamine, that is entertainment, feel good hormone in your brain. Dopamine that should not be released. So any entertainment activity, celebrating the party, when you come and set to study, you cannot study. So study is a quite boring task. When you just make it a habit of doing something boring in your life which others are not doing, you have to do which is left, which is discarded by others. See, most of the students are in college and school, but they are really not interested in the study. You have the best opportunity to overcome the competition. If there are 100% applying for the job, 50% of them they do not deserve because of their efforts, because of their marks, communication skills, so many factors. So you have to come into the certain amount of people, they are 5%, and you have to do all the boring tasks. See, waking up in the morning and working upon your health, doing exercise, it is quite boring and it is very simple. Simple task is very difficult to be done. Yes. School going student should be allowed to use the social media or not?
No.
If no, then why?
Children are mostly respected by social media.
Children are mostly respected by social media. How are they respected?
They are not doing their study, but they are playing games and watching movies.
Okay.
They
Respect.
waste their time on watching movie and playing games, but that time is also useful for study.
Okay. This time is useful for study. If they use social media, they are wasting their time, which is not good. Should they be respected? Okay. Distracted you're talking. So distractions are always with them. See, if you do not have phone, there are many people distracting you from your study. There will be people.
Mostly children are distracted by social media.
Yes, if they are distracted by the social media, this is what I want to know, that study is very important for you. And if you just want to entertain, you just go outside and play. Engage in any physical activity that will help you to build up physical and mental health both. But social media is giving you little amount of pleasure. And you know that social media is also bad, but still you use it. What's the matter?
It is a great source. Kids can upload their poetry, their craft works, the thoughts they think about it. Privacy setting is also available,
Yes.
so they can just private their accounts. Parents can also use their accounts in useful for
Just to present themselves in front of others, in front of the world, posting their creativity on them. If they paint good, if they write good, they can post their thoughts on the social media. It is very good for them. They are learning the skill to present themselves in front of others. But most of the people fail. When they go out there and start addressing people, they have agitation, they have nervousness. It will always be there, somewhat or more. But they are actually promoting themselves in front of others. They are pushing themselves. So it is a right thing. When you do know something creative, you can just help others. What is YouTube all about? YouTube, like when you know something, you know how to cook good food. So you can teach others how to prepare a good amount of food. You should use that. Nothing is bad in that. If you are 8 years old, 9 years old, it is good. You are doing something which is extremely helpful for you, and it will be very good for you in your upcoming life. But watching a video of Bhuvan Bam, Kariminati and clapping, it's not the waste of time. When you are watching it for the in short of entertainment, it's fine. But like you need to filter. You need to know how to filter the content which is useful for what content you are. See, when you watch the Kapil Sharma show, it is a very good source and a medium of getting entertained. But the way he comes and start insulting people based upon their like color, complexion, height, you should not learn this. You should not try to copy this and hurt others, because he is doing on the display. When people they get hurt, it doesn't matter because they are also being paid of getting insulted. All the things, dialogue, script which is written before. See, if he just makes anybody stand up in the public, he asks the question and makes fun of them. Dialogues, script that is written, कौन उठेगा, किसकी insult होगी, that is also fixed before. So this show is completely scripted. So like they are being paid for this, and then actresses which they are performing along with him, they are also being paid. But when you do the same thing which Kapil Sharma is doing, you are trying to become a. Kapil Sharma is actually funny, by the way. Kapil Sharma is actually funny. But your entertainment, it should not be based upon hurting others' feelings.